Hey, are you a security professional and you don't know how to measure the success of your security program? Even if you're doing a good job of running physical security program effectively, but if you don't know what to measure and how to measure, you will not be able to showcase your program strengths to your management. If you don't understand the basics, security metrics seem like complex and implementing them can become a hard task. Hey everyone, I'm Shiva RP. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about security metrics and what are the important metrics that you need to measure in the physical security program. If you measure the wrong metrics, chances are you'll be wasting precious time and those metrics are not going to be useful. One of the security managers I know spending hours of time in every week trying to figure out what their security guarding staff is doing. And the other manager is trying to figure out what's going on with his access control system or video surveillance systems. Yet, whatever the data they're collecting is not so meaningful. Perhaps you might have heard this famous quote from Peter Drucker: if you cannot measure, you cannot manage it. It is very much true in the physical security program as well. If you don't know what metrics that you need to measure, chances are you might be measuring the wrong metrics or whatever the data that you are collecting might not be useful when it is actually required to present to your management. If you need funding and resource request, you have to justify with proper data, and security metrics can help you to justify that and in a meaningful manner. You will be able to easily show what is the return that you are providing on the investment management is making in the security program, and you will be able to easily showcase the value add security program is bringing. So, security metrics will provide useful data on the overall program management. Management must need those. In simple terms, metrics will show the status and the performance trends and what is the value add your program is bringing to the overall business. Hope you remember the code that we have discussed. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So measurement is the key to the metrics. You can measure over 100 things in your security programs, but all of them might not be useful for you to invest your time and collecting all those data points. There are three major categories that you need to focus on when you are developing physical security program metrics. Those are personal metrics and electronic security system metrics, or any technology that you are using, you can incorporate in the system metrics, and compliance metrics. Depending on your industry, you can choose any other category specific to your particular industry or the category depending on your use case. So generally, you require to develop metrics for your personal system and compliance. In personal metrics, you can measure what is the response of your security staff to various incidents and what are the training levels of them. So you can look at that, kind of training they are receiving and the kind of awareness training they are providing to other stakeholders. So various policy implementation, how are they implementing the policies, how are they understanding the policies, and overall you can see the response rate by the security team after implementing the security program. And by looking at the personal metrics, you'll be able to understand how your personal component in your overall security program is working out. And in the system metrics, you can measure various system components, whether it is physical access control systems or video surveillance system or intrusion detection system or any other technology piece that you have added for your electronic security systems component. In the compliance metrics, you have to consider various laws that are emerging and maybe contracts that your organization is having with your clients and various other aspects which you need to be responsible as a physical security program lead, and what are the metrics that you require to track in that particular segment, all those things in the compliance metric. For instance, it could be making sure that your physical security systems are in compliance with the IT system standards, or it could be making sure your physical security program is in compliance with the local regulatory guidelines provided by the local government. It could also be simply any contractual obligation that your organization is having with any of the clients. So you should be able to track these things and met. So in addition to these three categories, you can identify specific metrics depending on your industry and nature of the business, and you can start measuring. Whenever you're implementing the program, keep this in mind. Try to collect the metrics data in small quantities and try to analyze the data and collect only useful data. If whatever the data that you are is collecting, and if there are no end user, there is no point in collecting that. You should ask, why are we collecting this data and whom this particular data is going to serve, and what is the benefit and what is the meaning that you are deriving by using this particular data. Collecting data for the sake of collecting is of no use. It can only complicate your security team's work. So to implement effective security metrics, you can use these three components or any other component which is quite relevant to your organization, and start measuring the data, collect that small quantities of the data and look at the relevance and usefulness of the data and start implementing that program and start collecting that data. By implementing security metrics program, you will see the significant benefits and you will be able to easily convince your management for any funding and resource request, and they will be upfront informed about the value add that physical security program is adding to the overall business. I hope the information on this video useful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to Security FYI, subscribe now and hit that notification bell. This is Shiva RP signing off until we meet again.